Hello friends, welcome, and this is the part 3 of my WordPress tutorial series where I am explaining about the WordPress, how to build a website in WordPress from scratch to the advanced level. So let's start the third part. First of all, as you know, we have to start Apache and Mysql. Both are green. Now we can open localhost/wordpress/wp-admin. Then username and password. And open in another tab localhost/WordPress. Now if you open this post which we designed in previous lecture, so now in this post we will add image and a YouTube video also. So we can click on all post and we can edit the post which technology sources you should know from here. Now to add an image, we will open pixels.com. And here we will search for technology. For example, we want to add this image, so we can click like medium and download. So the image has been downloaded. We can rename which technology sources. Now here, for example, after this paragraph, if I want to add, so this is the section add media, from where we can add media. So you click on add media and then you can use existing images, but right now we are going to upload a new image, so we can click upload files, then select files, and the image is this one. And don't forget to type alternative text. Insert into post. Now you can see images here. If you click this image, you can edit this, like align center, or you can align right, or you can make align left. Here you can select size also, like large. So you can see image size has been changed. Now just click on update. Now once the post has been updated, if you refresh the page, you can see images there. Perfect. Now we will use YouTube video. So just because of, to avoid, I mean to say, copyrights restrictions, I will use one of my own video. better hosting plans and which one you should buy. So you can copy this URL and for example I want to add here, so we can click on add media and insert from URL, and you can paste that URL and the video is here, then click insert into post. So the video is here. Now if we update this post, and now if we refresh the post, you can see the video is here, and we can also play video from here. So this is the way which we can use to add image or videos in our post or content of WordPress. Now let's proceed to another section. So about post section, you know now how you can add post and how you can edit post and what are categories. Tags you will not use because this will affect your SEO, because this will create duplicate pages with same content like this content. So I recommend to not use these tag section. Okay, so now media section, so you can click library. So you can see here like we have 3 images, we can bulk select them and we can delete even images if we want to delete more than 1 image like this way, or we can cancel selection. We can add new from here and we can also add new from here, which we can use later whenever we want in our post pages or in custom post. Even we can add from here also media. If you click on post section, there is one quick edit section also, like which technology sources you should know. If you click quick edit, so you can change the title from here, you can change the slug URL from here, even you can change the date also, like if you want the post should appear in previous post, so you can apply an old date. Password you can apply, so it will be password protected post content. Only the people who know the password, only they can see or they can view the post. You can also change category, like for example this is in technology, you can apply another category, or if you want to apply one more category, you can apply from here. You can apply tags, but I ask you to not apply tags. You can allow comments and allow pings. You can also change the status from published to pending review or draft, so it will not appear in your website. Now let's proceed to pages section. In pages you can see we deleted all pages, 2 pages there were when we installed WordPress. So now we will create a new page. With this name, just click on add new and now type like about us. The difference between posts and pages, post just like article, so you can create articles, and pages section like about us, contact us, privacy policy, and this type of content you can publish in page. So we will use lipsum.net to save the time. Copy this content and paste here. There is no category section because this is not post or article, so we can publish this publish this page. If you want to change the formatting of this article, this page, you can do from here, as I explained you before when we were doing post section. If you want to add media, you can use this one. So we publish this page. So now the page, for example, if you refresh your home page, you can't see page here. So you can see the link of page here, and if you right click and open link in new tab, so you can see this is about us page. Later I will show you that how we can add menu or navigation, so where we can include pages links as well. So now let's proceed to comment section. In comments you can see there is no comment. So if we open our website in incognito window where we are not logged in, as a user, like if we visit this post, so as a user, if we visit this post, and in the bottom of this post we can see comment section. So for example, name is and email is website field is not mandatory because every person don't have his or her own website. So but let me type the name of the website. Actually I was searching for the technology content, and finally I have found here. Thanks for sharing, and post comment. So by default in WordPress, comments will held for moderation. Now if you click on comments, you can see there is one comment. So always before approve any comment, first of all you have to see few things, like comment is relevant to your content or not. Second thing, you will see if the person has included his website. So you will also visit the website of that person. It should be like nice content. So if these things are okay, then you can approve this comment. So if we approve this comment, now if we refresh the post, you can see comment will appear here. As an admin, you can reply to this comment direct from comment section. So just click on reply, like thanks a lot for your feedback, and then reply. Now if we refresh this post, we can see admin comment also here. Some few settings of comments you can control from the settings section where we can see discussion. So just click on discussion. Like if you want comment should not be held for moderation, so you can uncheck this box where we can see a comment is held for moderation. And you can also change default avatar to like this one, and then save changes. Now if we refresh the page, you can see avatar has been changed. So in this video we have covered a lot of things, like how to create a page and how you can add image and video, YouTube video in your content, in post content or in pages content, and how you can control media section, and how you can control comment section as well. So I hope you have learned a lot of things. See you in next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.